So there is a huge supermarket upstairs, and there is one of them here downstairs. Well, that's an import, I believe. So like they have all kind of cheese and yeah, that's it. Probably on my way back, I'm gonna come here. Yeah, huge supermarket, guys. Two of them. Winmart is upstairs. Downstairs is the import. So you can buy all kind of cheeses and everything else. So on my way back, because all my groceries finished, so I'm gonna come and buy a few things. There's a lot of restaurants in this side, and there is a reason that this gigantic supermarket and everything here, because there's a lot of foreigners living here. I can see it. There's another one here. Cheese and baguette and everything. Italian deli here. Wow, man, this side is a whole different ball game, guys. Whole different ball game. Really high end. This side is absolutely high end, guys. And every single individual that passed by me, all foreigners. Like, I don't see any locals. What is this? Oh, Lion Mall. So this is a mall, guys. Right here. Hello. Look at the amount of supermarket here, guys. Hello. Oh, there is another gym here. Wow. I gotta find out what is the name of this area, man. Every single individual that passed by me is just a foreigners. You don't see any locals here. Now I know where is this location is, guys. I know this area now. So probably my next stay is going to be in this area, guys. Now I know where it is. Around Westlake. But it's just like 90% of everybody that passed by is a foreigner. So, but the location is fantastic, guys. I really love it. And it's close to everything. Even there is a kebab there. Oh wow, okay. Let's see what kind of kebab they have. Kebab 178. Yeah, it is a beautiful location, guys. Now I know where I am. So my focus is going to be booking somewhere around here, guys. I really like this area. Just I want to experience something different. That's it. Guys, when I was coming from airport, I saw this area called Badina. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. Badina, whatever they call it. I'm gonna learn the pronunciation, guys. So this is the area. And it was saying this is very safe area to stay to. And I can see it why. Because 90% of the people walking around are foreigners. So that's why it's safe. It's super luxury, you know, a lot of nice restaurants, a lot of nice buildings, so on and so forth. So I'm moving to this area, guys. I want to experience something different. You know, there's this street that goes a little bit, I guess I'm now going to the lake. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna find out. Yeah, but this apartment can be very noisy here. Guys, this area is just a lot of foreigners living here. One Italian restaurant right there, one Italian restaurant right there, and one Italian restaurant here. So this is the area that is just, I guess, a lot of foreigners living or staying here. But here a little bit chaotic too, guys. I like this area, guys. It's just like all about pizza and steak and ribs. Lot of supermarket. That's it. Let's move here. Let's move here for 4 days and experience here. Obviously, I'm not gonna have a lake view, but and a little bit chaotic here. Like this side a little bit busy. You guys can see that. Every single restaurant here is Italian. But that's crazy, man. There's a huge barber shop there. Look at that. Let's see how much is the service. Maybe I need a haircut before go to. In Hanoi, guys, haircut is very expensive. 200, 300. I got my haircut done for 80,000 plus 20,000 tips. What is this? Uy. Okay guys, now I'm by the lake again. I don't know where this lake is gonna take me. Yeah, that side a little bit got crazy, guys. A little bit got busy and chaotic. So I don't know where I am now. There is another lake, but where is this place? have no idea where I am, but who cares? What is this? There is another cafe with a lot of lights. The local. Guys, I have no idea where I am, but it is an absolutely safe area because it's a high-end area, extremely high-end. So I have no worry to walk around with my camera. I have no idea what is this. Apparently looks like a coffee shop, club. I don't know. Let's see. I'm curious to know what is this. Oops. There's nobody here. Oh no, there's a cafe here. Wow, look at this. Just like a bar, guys. Look at this. So cool. Very cool bar, guys. Did you see that? Nobody was there because it's too early. I don't know what time is it. Let me take a look at the time. But one of the most beautiful bar I ever saw. Very peaceful, very good location. So, you know, if you have a good date, it is roughly 7 o'clock. So it's a perfect location. Oh, there's another bar here. Look at this. So quiet, but guys, I'm moving to this location. Look at this. There's a lot of pictures on the wall. It's like a restaurant and then they take your picture and put it on the wall. That's like cute, man. What is this? I hope I can find somewhere nice and quiet in this area, so I'll move here for 4 days, guys. Why not? You know, why not? You gotta experience everything in life. A little bit chaotic in this side, but it's okay. I guess that's a coffee roasting machine, I believe. Guys, look at this bar called the Rock City. Nobody here, but looks nice. Guys, I'm heading to the supermarket, the big supermarket that I saw. They have all kind of import food. So I want to just go grab some cheese and stuff like that. Yeah, in this area, you're not gonna have absolutely no problem with buying grocery that you're looking for. Not only locals, like you can buy everything here. Guys, I'm in this supermarket now. Like there is all kind of wine here. Ton of different type of wine, ton of different type of beers here. So this is a completely imported stuff. So don't worry if you move in here, so you can shop here, and there's all kind of stuff here. Just I want to find the cheese now. Oh guys, this is like a 2 floors. And there's everything here. Guys, I just bought a bottle of wine and also cheese. Really good cheese. Old vintage cheddar cheese. So I'm just heading back to my apartment to sit, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, I haven't made my decision, to open up this bottle of wine and just chill in my balcony, because I love my balcony. Yeah, so guys, here, I don't know what is the name of it, but there's a building above it, above this. So there's a Highland Coffee, and obviously downstairs it is a completely imported stuff. You cannot find any local stuff, all imported. Cheese, a lot of wines, everything. So obviously there's an option here. Just you need to find a place. So guys, yeah, I'm heading back to my room. So hello. I'm heading back to my room, guys. So thank you for watching again. Keep watching, guys. So apparently I have to move out after 3 days. I don't know, I'm gonna find somewhere around here. But Hanoi is beautiful. There's a lot of options here, guys. And my suggestion is, if you want to have a peaceful time, stay around West Lake. Around West Lake, there's a lot of option, high-end area, quiet area, and you're going to enjoy your time, guys. Anyways, guys, I want to end the video. I'm heading back to my room. Thank you for watching again. Please, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and help me to grow my channel. That's all I am asking. Cheers, guys, and see you guys soon. Bye-bye.